Hello and welcome back viewers. Now in this lesson we are going to cover another important topic, and that is trading platform. How trading platform is important in selecting a forex broker. Okay, so let's try to understand that. My dear students, in forex trading is done through our trading platforms. Okay, there are different types of trading platforms like MT4, MT5, web trader nowadays, C trader, and Android app. Okay, so trading is done through these apps. Okay, MT4, MT5, web trader, C trader, and Android app also. Make sure that your broker is going to provide you all of these options, at least MT4, Android app. Okay, minimum these two. Almost all of brokers are providing MT4, 5, web trader, and Android app also, and some of the broker are also providing C trader also. Okay, so my dear students, make sure that broker MT4, 5, web trader or Android app is easy to use, it is stable, you can use it easily, you are not going to face any kind of problem during its usage. Okay, like login problems, it may take some more time, so any kind of server problems, make sure that it is very easy to use, very flexible for you, and very stable. Okay, so this is a broker job to give you easy and stable trading platform. Now when you are visiting a broker, website, so you should check that which type of platform broker is going to offer you. Okay, when you are visiting a broker website, they have written in their website in the account types that we are going to provide you such type of trading platform, MT4, 5, etc, etc. Okay, many brokers are nowadays providing newsfeed, economic calendar, etc, all of these things for free, because for broker their customers should be their first preference. Okay, as long as customer is going to trade a lot on their broker, they are going to make huge money. Okay, so you are the first preference for the broker. Okay, so they should provide you all of these tools for free. Now all the technical and charting tools should be easy to use. Okay, they should be present in a broker and they should be easy to use. Okay, another important thing is that broker should provide all the advanced tools for free. Like I have a course of premium tools. Okay, so in that course, which brokers I am recommending, those are providing free tools. Okay, so make sure that all the brokers should provide those tools for free, like R2 chartist, advanced premium tools, trading central, etc, etc. Okay, these are paid apps, but broker should provide you free of cost. On certain conditions they are going to provide you. Okay, so in choosing a forex broker, make sure that all of these conditions, if a broker is going to provide you such condition, then that broker is for you. Okay, so in forex trading is done through these platform, MT4, 5, web trader, and C trader, and right app also. These platforms should be easy and stable to use. Okay, always check that on the website of a broker they are going to provide you, okay, easy technical and charting tools and advanced tool for free of cost. Okay, like here we can also check that by from this website. Okay, forex.com. Okay, so here we have list of forex broker. I have already discussed this website. Okay, we can see MT4, 5, web trader. Okay, and then MT4, web trader, MT4. Okay, on this website they have mentioned that mobile trading, MT4, web trading. Okay, so all of the brokers have such platforms which they have mentioned on their website also, and from such website we can also check that. All of the trading platform we can check it from such website also, that which broker is going to provide us which type of platform. Okay, so this was the explanation that how trading platform is important in selecting a forex broker. I am sure that now you have got a clear understanding of it. Okay, and it is going to help you a lot. Okay, thank you so much.